I have a JBL satellite speaker which is jarring while playing the audio. So let me connect the speaker to the amp and check the problem. Speaker is connected to the amp. Now playing the song.
Us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go. Hold me close till I get up.
So the sound is jarring. So let me see what is happening. So let's detach the grill first. To detach the grill, I have to pry here. The speaker foam is completely gone, which we call this as a ring also. The speaker ring is gone. So I think I have this size ring. Let me see. Let's see the size. 2.75 inches. Okay. I have this foam which is of 2.75 inches. So now I will remove this speaker foam and paste in the speaker here. Let me remove the speaker first. I have removed this speaker. There are two clips here. So now I am going to keep the speaker aside and I will clean the speaker, as well as I have to remove this speaker foam to fit here. To remove this, I am going to use thinner which is filled in this syringe. I am just going to apply all around so that it will detach from this cone. The shape of this ring will go because of this thinner. Once it is dried, again it will come back to the same position. So let us wait for some time. Now I am going to remove this ring using this flat screwdriver. Then I have removed this paper. Let's see the size. It's perfectly fitting. So I will clean this up. Then I will clean this little bit. Now it is cleaned. Now I am going to put this here before pasting. Now I have positioned the ring properly here. Now using this glue, I am going to apply first on the inside part. That's it. I have applied the glue properly here. Done. Now let's wait for some time. Let it get dried. Now I am going to apply the paste on the outer part of this ring. That's it. The paste is applied to the outer part of this ring. Now let me press here. Let's wait for some time so that it gets dried up. Now I am pressing here right round of the ring. Done. Ring has been replaced. So now I am going to put this speaker back to the box of this speaker. I am done with fixing this ring properly. It is 100% perfect. Now I am going to reassemble the speaker back to the satellite. Putting back the screws. That's it. Put this grill back. Done. Now it's time to check the speaker. Now I am connecting the wires. Now I am playing the song to test.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. Finding life along the way.
Done. Speaker is working perfectly without any jarring. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe and comment in the below. Thanks for watching. Bye.